class to our Logic Designs YouTube channel. Now we are back in our 2D software, that means Autocad. Today we will share knowledge regarding modify menu from ribbon bar. In this topic we will see a location of modify menu tools, options and their shortcut keys. This is part 1. We will discuss part 2 later on. So let's get started our today's topic. First we will discuss about modify menu location. The modify menu is situated right hand side of draw menu in ribbon. Okay, now you can see here the lots of modify menu options are present. In part 1 we will discuss about move, copy, stretch, mirror, rotate and scale options. Okay, so let's get started. First is move command. In move command you can move objects a specified distance in a specified direction using coordinates, grid snap, object snap and other tools to move object with precision. Okay, now there are 3 ways to opt move command in your drawing. First is from direct modify menu, then second one put MO. MO is a shortcut key for move. Put this MO in command bar. Okay, you can see here move command is now displayed. Then you can directly put MO. Then you can see here in your computer screen move command is now displayed. Now press enter for opt move command. Okay, now first we will create one circle. Okay, 0 tab 0 from ECS. Now create one circle of 100 mm. Zoom. Okay, now we want to move this circle in right hand side. Okay, now press MO. Now you can see here move command is now displayed. Now press enter. Now select the object we want to move. Okay, then select the displacement, that means base point. Okay, now I am displaced this circle usage to some distance. You can see here in your computer screen. Okay, this is the move command. Just remember MO is a shortcut key for move command. Then next is copy command. Copy command work for copies object at a specified distance in a specified direction. With the copy mode system variable, you can control whether multiple copies are created automatically. That means if you on copy mode system by using command bar, you can create multiple copies of your object automatically. Okay, you can opt copy from direct modify menu or put command bar in CO in command bar. You can see here copy option is displayed. Okay, or you can directly put CO. You can see here the copy option is now displayed. Then press enter and select the object which you want to copy. Now specified base point or distance. Okay, I am copying this circle at some specified distance or specified direction. Okay, you can see here I am copying this option at inclined, vertical or horizontal. Okay, this is copy option. Please remember CO is a shortcut key for copy. Our next command is stretch command. In stretch command, object cross by a selection window or polygon. Objects that are partially enclosed by crossing windows are stretched. Objects that are completely enclosed with the crossing window or that are selected individually are moved rather than stretched. Some types of objects such as circle, ellipse and blocks cannot be stretched. Just note down this last line. You cannot stretch circle, ellipse and blocks. Okay. Now we will discuss how stretch command is work. Before that we need to create an object. Okay. You can see here I am creating one object. Now put from your keyboard capital S. Capital S is a shortcut key for stretch. Select the object by crossing window that you want to stretch. I am selecting here object. Okay. Now specify the base point. Okay. I am selecting here. You can see here objects that are partially enclosed by a crossing window are stretched. That means I am selecting only a circle and baseline. You can see here stretch command is work only on line, not a circle. Okay, that's it. This is the stretch command. Please remember capital S is a shortcut key for stretch menu or option. Our next command is rotate. It rotates object around a base point. That means you can rotate a selected objects around a base point to an absolute angle. For that you can put an angle that you want to create in your drawing. Okay. Now we will see how to opt rotate option. You can opt rotate option by three ways. First, from directly modify menu, then put RO from command bar. You can see here rotate option is now displayed. Or you can put directly RO from your keyboard. Okay, this is the third way. You can see here rotate option is now displayed. Now press enter. Now select an object to rotate. Now select a base point. I am selecting a base point. Now you can see here you can rotate your object at 0 to 360 degree. Okay, I am putting here 45 degree angle. You can see here our object is now rotated at 45 degree angle. Okay, that's it class. This is a rotate option from modify menu. Please remember RO is a shortcut key for rotate option. Our next command is mirror command. In mirror command you can create a mirrored copy of selected object. That means you can create objects that represent half of drawing. Select them and mirror them for across a specified line to create the other half. That means we need to create a center line for mirror a half object. Okay, you can also opt a mirror command by three ways. First from modify menu, then second from command bar, and third one directly put MI from keyboard and press enter. Before that we need to trim an half object. Okay, then we apply a mirror. Now then create a center line for mirror object. I am creating here line. Okay, now choose color. Okay, now select center to. Okay, for center line. Now put MI from your keyboard, or you can select a mirror option from modify menu. Now I am selecting here half object. You can also select as separately. Now select first point of mirror line. I am selecting your first point, then second point. Then it will ask you the erase source object. Please say no. That means your original source is as it is. If you click yes, the original source is deleted. But we need source also. That's why I am selecting here no. You can see here the half object is now created into full object. That means mirror option is done. That's it. Please remember MI is a shortcut key for mirror. Next command is scale command. In scale command, you can enlarge or reduce selected object keeping the proportion of the object the same after scaling. That means to scale an object, specify first a base point and a scale factor. The base point acts as center of the scale operation and remains stationary. A scale factor greater than 1, it enlarges the object, and a scale factor between 0 to 1 is the object. That means reduces size. Okay. You can opt scale factor by using SC. Capital SC is a shortcut key for scale. You can see here I am putting capital SC from keyboard. You can see here scale option is now displayed. Now select whole object. Okay. Now press enter. Specify first base point. I am selecting here base point from object. Okay, you can see here it enlarges the component and reduces the component. First I am reducing the size of the component. You can see here by using scale factor I am reducing the size of the object. The drawing proportions cannot be changed. Okay, is as it is. Now select whole component. For opt scale command, now select base point. Now enlarge the component size. Okay, you can see here this is a scale command from Autocad. Okay, please remember SC, capital SC is a shortcut key for scale command. Okay, that's it class. This is part 1 of modify menu. In part 2 we will discuss about trim command, extend command, fillet, chamfer, array, erase, explode and offset command. So that's it class. I hope class you can now understand move, copy, stretch, rotate, mirror and scale command in today's video tutorial. So if you like our today's tutorial, then like, share and subscribe our Logic Designs YouTube channel for latest updated design videos, tips and tricks in Autocad as well as SolidWorks. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.